Alright guys, I'm getting the ring spacers for the wheels here to go in between the ring and the wheel. I think we got them from KMC, but pretty cool seeing a pumpkin Gladiator since we sold Smokey. Pretty cool to see that pumpkin orange paint. So here is the difference of the axle widths on the 2018 Plus JL and JT. I'm pretty sure. Now things change a little bit when you go to the JT Gladiator. So you start looking at the Max Tow package, which is the same width as the Rubicon, and then the Mojave, which is the same width as well. This is the standard length right here. This is the extended length. You can see the difference of, you know, roughly how much longer that is going to be.
Orbitals, a medley of machinery, if you will. The second step, because that compound, although it brings a clear top, all brand new wheels.
Here's the final product. So I've got it all the way threaded in. That way I can just twist the center bar and it'll adjust out. Riding down the road, getting to see Smokey driving. It's pretty cool because, you know, I never really got to see it drive. Like, always being the one driving it was, you know, very different. So it's cool to see it, how it looks from different angles and stuff. There's Smokey. You can hear the mud grapplers coming from a mile away. That's cool. What's up?
What's up, buddy?
The Fender chop and everything like that. Did you find the new Fender?
Yeah.
Like you just found somebody that had one for sale? Like a single Fender?
I had to buy one for it.
Really? Oh man.
It was shit.
Oh, you found a good deal.
It's $150 for all four.
Not bad. Yeah, because I paid $200 for one at one time.
So I got backups for any other side but the pack.
Yeah, that's cool. That's really cool, dude. Yeah, that's awesome, man.
Make it look good.
Yeah, especially since you got the long arm in there where it actually goes to the axle. Like, I think it's a Terraflex sway bar. Alright, so as you guys can see, I got it in the back here, and it actually drives better with the weight in the back, surprisingly. I'll explain here in a second. Got the old four-wheeler in the back. For some reason, the weight felt like it was more stable in the rear, which makes sense. Yeah, it did pretty good. So, you know, full-size Rancher 350 fits in the back perfectly with some room to spare. Here are the ring spacers for the KMC wheels. So it's pretty much just one solid machined piece. It looks like it's pretty thick actually. So those are from Wheel Pros apparently, but they're made for the KMCs, I believe. So as you can tell, they're kind of cut out that way. Yeah, that's pretty much going to be a simple process. I'm going to start with the front two first. I want to show you guys something here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and give a little bit more detail. So you can see that the bead is so tall. It looks like it almost kind of folds in on itself, as you can tell right there. And you can see the dirt, you know, obviously showing. Definitely not split or anything. Like it's still one piece. It's just like the dirt that kind of makes it look like that. But it's definitely pretty obvious to see how that could have been impacting the ride quality of, you know, kind of like riding like ovals. Is it actually is seated down in the wheel with the flathead screwdriver. The front two are completed. It honestly looks pretty much the same until you really, you know, look for the ring. You can see it right there, a little bit spaced out. But as far as like it's sticking out or anything, I mean, it looks really good. I also went with 30 PSI in the air pressure this time. See if that'll make a difference in the highway ride quality for now. But they're not balanced because we took the weights off to see if that also had something to do with it, the old weights. And they seem pretty good. Had a little bit of wobble, like around 45, but really not bad at all. Other than that, I didn't feel any type of hopping or shaking from the front. So far so good. That doesn't mean that we're out of the water just yet. Like it's coming from back here for sure. Just gonna double check all the bolts. All right, I've narrowed it down to this side. All the bolts are still good. They haven't moved or anything like that, so. What's up, guys? Just picked up a TV in the Gladiator doing truck stuff, of course. Old Vizio.